Right, we've got the Volvo V70, we've got the maintenance light on. Going to use the ThinkScan BT689 to see if we can turn off the maintenance light. On the back there we've got the little dongle. We'll plug that into the EOBD port, which on this one is just here. We'll pop the ignition on the dashboard. Press and hold the button. So let's just not go through it. I won't press the pedal. There we go, press and hold it, all lights up like a Christmas tree. Let's see what we get on here. VIN number, there we go. Okay, so it's just run down and it's picked up a few faults and bits and pieces that it can find. Got a few issues with the central door locking motor, left rear window, a few other bits and pieces, but all of the main things there are great. So let's just get rid of these ones that are here at the minute and see what's live. So the only one that's coming back is the wake up control. Everything else is good. Right, let's go back and see if we can do a maintenance. Let's try commonly used special functions. There we go, oil service light reset. And let's just have a little look. Automatically search. Okay, that's that done. Let's go back. We want to just. Is there anything else? Okay, that should have done it. A bit of luck. So let's have a little look now on here. We'll switch the ignition off. The only thing we've got there is the eye for the belts and doors. We just turned the knob just to eliminate that, and it's gone. You see now the maintenance reset is all sorted. So it's gone then, we've cleared it. The little eye that was there is now vanished. Information's gone because we've cleared the fault and we got rid of the service light. We'll just pull the dongle out the car. Yeah. So there we go, the Volvo V70 is all sorted, maintenance reset light is all turned off, the car is as sweet as a nut. Using this BT689, the ThinkScan, cracking bit of kit, it's the best scanner I've got, and I've got about 10 of them at the minute. This one is my favourite. I'll put links in the description and discount codes. I've got some discount codes for this to knock some money off for you. So yeah, links, discount codes, everything in the description. If you've enjoyed the video, then please drop me a little thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in another one. Thanks for watching.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.